Hi everyone, I'm super excited to bring you this Lumary brand smart bird feeder cam. So this is a solar powered bird feeder with a camera on it. We got a bunch of birds around here and I'd love to film them and identify them. So this is really cool. Can't wait to get started. So this has built-in bird identification. It said this service needs to be subscribed, but it looks like it's got real-time notifications, squirrel detection and prevention, bird coming history, and auto-identify 10,000 plus species of birds. Full color night vision, 160-degree wide view angle, up to 1.8 pounds. It supports a micro SD card. It's got two-way audio, weatherproof, live video, and motion detection. Here's everything that comes with it. Got the main piece here, the antenna in the back, got the mounting bracket. Looks like the roof and the pedestal for them, some mounting bolts, some clamps, the charger. Okay, this says before installing the bird feeder, make sure you pair the camera up with your phone. So this is this Vico Home. I've used this for some other stuff. This software is not too bad. Go ahead and scan the QR code below to get right to the Vico Home software and get your phone all in line with the camera. So now just follow all the steps of installing that Vico Home app, and then you'll go ahead and pair the camera up to the phone app. So the next step is to hold the power button up to the camera. The indicator light will keep blue, and finally you'll hear the pairing sound from the camera, which means that the camera is ready for connection. All right, as far as the camera and this structure goes here, this piece, you actually don't need to remove this piece at all. So when you look at it, you're like, well, all right, how am I going to turn the power on? All you do, this thing has a rotating function to it, so the power is right up here. Just pull this top off, and then you hold that power button down right there. I'm going to hold it down. I'll go ahead and pull this lens cover off too. I just got a notification from the camera that says connection succeeded. So one thing you might want to do too, what I'm going to do is go ahead and plug this thing in and let it charge up for a little while before I put it out there. But for now, we're going to go ahead and continue on with the setup process here. I'm already getting a whole bunch of alerts from this thing, from the Vico Home software about motion detection. So I might have to disable that while I'm continuing this video, but it's kind of nice. Any motions in front of this thing, it pops up on your phone. Hey, you got a notification. So to do the same thing with the different birds and that kind of thing. So yeah, we're all paired up. The software is installed. The Vico Home app is installed. We're going to continue on. The micro SD card goes in there, and there's the reset hole right there as well. So as far as the description of all this stuff, it's the antenna back here. Now we're going to plug the solar panel in right back here. The food, when we put it in, is going to go right down here. There's a cover around this camera to protect it. They call that the bird feeder reservoir. And on the camera, you see that blue LED light. That means it's working. That's the light there. That's the infrared light and the lens. That's the spotlight right there. We'll go ahead and assemble this thing. So we're going to go take this orange piece here. You see these two little protrusions there? Those are going to fit right in here and here. So it's going to, and then that clip right there matches up with that right in the back there. See how I got that lined up there, right there? I'm going to go ahead and push it down, lock it into the slot there. Now what happens, you just fold it back like that. Now you got your top on. Right, and it just fastens back here. So it just snaps right under there. And then when you want to pop that back off, you just pull back on this and go like that. Now we'll go ahead and put the perch on the thing. Here's the perch. It's going to screw right into here. And you know you got it right when it's nice and flush right here. The fit looks like it should be there. If you try to put it in the other way, it doesn't quite fit right. And we'll insert that screw there. The piece that we're going to use is this piece that comes in the kit here. So just throw it right down in here. Okay, there's what it looks like when it's charging. So the directions say that it's going to be yellow when it's charging and it'll be solid green when it's fully charged. Okay, just to kind of give you a picture here of how this is going to go. So this is the mounting bracket for the bird feeder. So you're going to take and secure it to the wall there. If you're going to do a tree mount, it comes with Comes with this belt here, and that'll wrap around the tree and then wrap around this piece too and tighten it up. That way you're not screwing into the tree. So you got a couple different options there. And you can use this with anything really. You know, a round pole, or if you don't want to screw in, anything you don't want to screw into, you can use this. It just kind of shows you the picture there. Now, the other option you have is just to screw it right down this way if you're on a perch or a stand or anything like that. So you can go side mount, top mount there. The idea here is that you affix this to something and then slide the bird feeder on, so it's just going to slide into this slot right there and lock in. It also comes with some clamps too, so if you don't want to screw it in or strap it in, you can just install the provided clamps that come with it and do something like that. This is the setup that I'm shooting for right here, except I'm probably going to screw mine in. This little piece here also fits up in here if you want to go with this option. That'll just snap back in there just like you use this, but you don't use these two together. It's either or. Okay, all I'm doing now is just securing this base down to the top of this pole. I'm just going to insert some screws right down here. So now I just take the bird feeder here and slide it right in here. Now to hook up the solar panel. Okay, now just securing the base for the solar panel. Put a couple more screws through here. Now I'll take this piece, just thread it right on here. And you can take this and position it any way you want. Sideways, back, all kinds of movement, whatever you want to do. Whatever gets the best angle of sun, that's where you want this thing. Here's the bird food I'm going to use. Black Oil Sunflower by Morning Song. You just take the lid like this and snap it back into place right there.